So, hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, my fellow creative designers and content creators. Welcome once again to another exciting episode on this channel. And, guys, in today's episode, this is what you are going to design. You are going to design this beautiful logo, Knox Group Limited logo I created using the Pixel Lab. This is part of our Pixel Lab 2025 graphic design course, and then we are still talking about logo design. So please stick around, subscribe to this channel, like and share, comment, and let me know how this tutorials is being helpful to you. So please let's begin with the tutorial. So first of all, I'll hide all these things. Yes, I'll hide it, and then we'll start everything from the scratch. Yes, we'll start everything from the scratch. Or better still, I can save them. Yes, I can save it as a project and then write my E. Yes, write my E and then click on OK and then go to the text or the font to go and choose a particular font. So this one, I use this font. Yes, so I use this font, which is the Mango Regular. So I'll click it and then scale it up nicely this way. Scale it up nicely and then go and center and align. Yes, go and center and align it so that everything should be in line. Then copy it and then center and align again. Perfect. Copy it and center and align. Then you can merge the two together. Yes, you can merge the two together. Yes, after merging the two together, you can just scale it up this way, hold the edge, then scale it up nicely this way. And then let's rotate it. Let's rotate it. Perfect, perfect. This is exactly what we want. This is exactly. Then let's go and change the color. Yes, let's go and change the color. And I use a gradient. I use a gradient colors. So you can also set your gradient colors nicely and then click on OK. Then after that, I have to lock it. Yes, I have to lock it. And then go to the rectangle, go to the shape side and then go and pick this shape. Go to the radius, turn it to 100%, opacity, turn it to 0, and then go to stroke and turn the stroke to something big a bit. Now our stroke is, we should increase it, and then I think we should go and change the background. Yes, we should go and change the background because the background is conflicting with what we are doing. So we are unable to see. So we can change it to white. Yes, but that's maybe in the course of the design, we'll come and change it later. Yes, in the course of the design. Then let's go and unlock this one and lock then let's reduce the size. Yes, reduce the size drastically and then center and align it. Center and align. Perfect, perfect. Then you can lock that one. Yes, and then unlock the circle. Yes, unlock the circle and center and align it. Sorry, center and align. Perfect, perfect, perfect. With that one too, let's change the color. Sorry, let's change the color and give it the same stroke. Gradient color we give. Let's give the same gradient color we give. Perfect, 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 perfect. And then let's lock it again. Then we can write the name. I have to change the dimension. Yes, I need to change the dimension of the background. And you know it already. So here is 16 and then here is 9. I need to get a nice space so I can put all my details. Yes, perfect, 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 perfect. It means I have to unlock this one and then send it to even the center. Perfect, 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 perfect. So if this is at the center, yes, this is at the center, then I will lock it and then so that it will not distract. Yes, I will lock it so that it will not distract. Better still, I can merge it together so that I do the necessary arrangement in which I will need to do. Perfect, perfect. Then it should be here. And then go and lock it so that it doesn't move whenever you touch any place. Then go and edit, add your text and then edit. So you type the name Knox Group Limited. So this is what we type, and then this is capital N. So Knox Group Limited, and then click on it, and then bring it here. Go and change the font. Quickly go and change the font. And I use a font. Let me go to my recent font use, and then I think this is the font I use. Yes, this is the font I use. Yeah, this is the font I use. And then scale it up. Yes, or increase the size this way. And yes, increase the size and go to go to and then reduce the size. Perfect, perfect. I think 60 or 61 is okay, depending on the size of your text. Depending on the size of your text. And then we need to change the color again. We need to change the color to the same gradient. Yes, to the same gradient. After changing the color to the same gradient you are using, we just want to have or want to make sure that everything is uniform. That is why we are doing that. Then you go to the text side again, and then go and add the tagline. Yeah, so the tagline we added was building wealth through something something, building wealth through through uh, so we want to use this as our tagline, building wealth through education. So you click on OK, and then click on OK. Then you pick the font, the name of the font in which you want to use, and then yes, let's go and change the font if possible. Yes, let's go and change the font if possible. And I think maybe we might be preferred to use this Roboto Condense Regular. Yes, Roboto Condense Regular. And we can maintain the same color. Sorry. We want to use the same. So you can decide to maintain or use the same color. Yes, then you go to gradient and set it this way. And then add your social media handles. Yes, add your social media handles. So as I'll be adding them here, I have my Instagram account. So Instagram logo, then I'll prefer to add it. Yes, in case you are designing for a client, please always make sure you get the information from the client. Yes, if you are using or if you are designing it for your own purpose, then yes, you can even put your own details over there because you are designing it for yourself. Yeah. So I'll go and duplicate this one and then put it here. Maybe I'll edit it and then write what Knox. Okay, so NOX Knox Group Limited. So that is the name. If you go to the social media handles, that is where you find them. And then again, in case you have maybe another social media handles such as other TikTok accounts and other things, you can put them there. But this is the situation whereby maybe I want to add their location. Then you can reduce the size nicely. Reduce the size nicely and then push it to the side. Then you can push it. You can push it. Now let's make good use of the positions. Yes, let's make good use of the positions. Yes, so that is how it demands. Then go and duplicate, or sorry, go and copy. Yes, go and copy this and then bring it to this side. Yeah, better. And I think the social media handles, you need to merge that one separately. You need to merge that one. You need to merge it so that you can reduce the size. So let's move back. You can merge that one together and then all should have one. Yes, yes. This is what you want. This is what you want. This is what you want. And then maybe you can add a telephone number or other things. Yes, you can add the telephone number and maybe more of the social media handles. So please, this is basically how we were able to design this beautiful logo you are seeing on your screen. Yes, again, so this is how we were able to achieve this beautiful logo design you are seeing on your screen. So please, if this video is very helpful to you, kindly show us love by subscribing to this channel, like and share, and then at least comment and let's know how this video is helping you in any other way. So if you are done, you can go to the background and go and change it. Yes, you can change the background to your preferred one. Yes, you can change the background to your preferred one. So with this one, I have it here, and then this is what I have on my screen. So please subscribe to this channel, like and share. As I've said, when you subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell icon and then put it for all. In so doing, whenever I upload any video onto this channel, you'll be the first person to get it and then watch it and practice before other people will share the link for them to get it. Then it means you have done the work and then you have even shared it on your social media handles and just taking credit. Please subscribe to this channel, like and share. I love you. I will see you in the next tutorials. Bye for now.